Everyone, this is Tim here from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Minecraft free trial on your PC. Now, this is actually really easy. All you have to do is go on down to search right here and type in store and open up the Microsoft Store. So you can see it right here. We can just click it. And then at the top, we can just type in Minecraft Launcher. And it might populate for you when you type in Minecraft. But get the Minecraft Launcher. You can see it right here, Minecraft Launcher. And this is going to be different than Minecraft Java and Bedrock Edition. To get the Minecraft Launcher, this is what it's going to look like. We should be able to download this. And then just go to play and open this up. So this is the Minecraft Launcher. It has all your different Minecraft games in it. I got like Minecraft Legends, Dungeons, Dungeons 2, Bedrock, and Java Edition. Now go up to where it says Home. So you can go to the different editions right here, but go to Home. Now, right at the top of the screen, if you don't own Bedrock Edition, there should be an option that says Play Game. When you click on Play Game, there will be an option for the free trial. So just under here, look for a free trial, play the game, and then launch it. So I can go to Bedrock Edition and open this up. Now, I already own this game, so I don't have to do the free trial or anything like that. But it makes it very easy to just play it. So I got Minecraft now. Go ahead and just try this out. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out.